Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into one of the best portable teleprompters on the market, the Glide Gear TMP100. If you're looking to enhance your video production setup without breaking the bank, stay tuned because this might be your next favorite tool. The Glide Gear TMP100 is designed with versatility and ease of use in mind. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or a seasoned professional, this teleprompter promises to elevate your video production game. Let's start with the build quality. Unlike many competitors, the TMP100 boasts an all-metal construction and utilizes industry-standard 70 by 30 beam splitter glass. This means you get clear, readable text for your scripts while ensuring your camera captures a crisp, professional-looking video. Setting up the TMP100 is a breeze, no assembly required. It's compatible with DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, smartphones, and tablets up to 10.5 by 7.5 inches. Plus, it collapses neatly for easy transport, making it ideal for both studio and on-location shoots. I've been using the Glide Gear TMP100 for a variety of projects, from corporate videos to YouTube content like this one. The 70/30 beam splitter glass performs admirably, providing just the right amount of reflection for seamless prompting. One of the standout features is its flexibility. Whether you're shooting solo or with a team, this teleprompter adapts to your needs effortlessly. Plus, it's backed by a solid reputation among users for its reliability and durability. To maximize your setup, consider pairing the TMP100 with a Bluetooth remote control for convenient script management. Also, investing in a sturdy tripod, like the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod, ensures stable footage every time. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a portable teleprompter that delivers professional results without the hefty price tag, look no further than the Glide Gear TMP100. Its robust build, ease of use, and compatibility with a wide range of devices make it a must-have tool for any video creator. That concludes our review of the Glide Gear TMP100. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.